Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tea with milk powder. First, gather your ingredients and equipment, including your favorite tea, milk powder, a kettle, and a mug. Next, we will brew a strong tea base, ensuring a rich flavor. Then, learn how to properly dissolve the milk powder to avoid any lumps. Finally, we will combine everything and adjust it to your perfect taste. To begin, boil 1 cup of fresh water in your kettle. Once boiling, pour the hot water over 2 tea bags or 2 teaspoons of loose leaf tea in your mug. Allow the tea to steep for 3 to 5 minutes. This ensures a strong base that won't be diluted by the milk. After steeping, remove the tea bags or strain the loose leaves, leaving only the brewed tea. Now let's prepare the milk powder. Measure out 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk powder into a separate small bowl or mug. Gradually add a small amount of hot water, about 1/4 of a cup, stirring continuously. The goal is to create a smooth, lump-free paste. Adding hot water slowly prevents clumping, ensuring a creamy texture when combined with your tea. Finally, it's time to combine everything. Carefully pour the dissolved milk powder mixture into your brewed tea. Stir thoroughly until both ingredients are fully integrated, creating a uniform, creamy beverage. Taste your tea and add sugar or any other sweetener to achieve your desired level of sweetness. Serve your delicious, creamy tea hot and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.